Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. After downloading and installing ChatGPT on your phone, click on the ChatGPT app to open. Now you can log into your account or sign up with an OpenAI account. I'm going to continue with Google. Once you are here, you will access the ChatGPT interface. Here you can text or type any prompt, and there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.